Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable or disable flash notification in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to accessibility. After that go to advanced settings, then go to flash notification. Now here you can see two types of flash notification. One is camera flash notification and another is screen flash notification. If I enable camera flash notification, then tap on preview. Now you can see the camera flash is flashing. And then if I enable screen flash notification, then tap on preview. Now you can see the screen is flashing. Also if you tap here, from here you can change your screen flash notification color. If I select yellow color, then tap on done, then tap on preview, and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can enable or disable flash notification on Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.